In the world of sprinting, every millisecond counts, and the finish line lean can be the deciding factor in close races. Jamaican athletes have long been known for their explosive speed and technical prowess, yet there's a specific area where they might be falling short compared to their American counterparts: the finish line lean. The concept of leaning at the finish line is a critical technique in sprinting, especially in tight races where every millisecond counts. The torso is what triggers the timing sensors, so leaning forward make the difference between winning and losing. Jamaican athletes should learn to lean at the finishing line, just like the American athletes. When it's a tight race, the Americans always out-lean them, allowing their torso to cross the line first. Jamaicans barely lean. This technique, where runners lean forward at the finish line to ensure their torso crosses the line first, has proven to be a crucial factor in tight races. American sprinters often utilize this strategy to their advantage, gaining the upper hand in closely contested finishes. American athletes are often trained to maximize every advantage, including the lean, because of the highly competitive nature of their track programs. Jamaican athletes could certainly benefit from focusing more on this aspect of race strategy, particularly in close races. Incorporating this technique could provide Jamaican sprinters with an edge in races where every fraction of a second matters. In the recent Paris Olympics men's 110 meters hurdles, the finish line provided a clear example of how crucial the lean can be in determining medal positions. American athlete Daniel Roberts secured the silver medal by executing a well-timed lean, allowing his torso to cross the finish line just ahead of Jamaica's Rasheed Broadbell. Had Broadbell leaned more effectively, he might have clinched the silver. However, some Jamaican fans, who typically only tune in to track and field during the Olympics, were quick to claim that Broadbell was robbed of the medal. This perspective overlooks the strategic importance of the lean at the finish line, a critical aspect of race technique that Roberts executed perfectly, making all the difference in the final standings.